15 surprising benefits when you drink rosemary tea daily. What if I told you there's a simple and delicious tea that doctors don't want you to know about that could help improve your digestion, enhance brain function, fight cancer, and more? I'm talking about rosemary tea. Now, obviously doctors aren't actively trying to keep this a secret, but they also aren't likely to recommend herbs and spices as natural remedies, are they? That's where Mother Nature comes in. In today's video, we'll talk about 15 surprising research-backed benefits of drinking rosemary tea, along with how to best prepare it and potential side effects to be aware of. So be sure to stick around until the end. Rosemary is an aromatic woody herb, a small evergreen shrub, Rosmarinus officinalis, that's part of the mint family. Wow, try saying that 10 times in a row. It grows wild in many parts of the world. Its leaves, which resemble curved pine needles, have been used in cooking, for their fragrance and medicine for centuries. By the way, before using fresh rosemary from your garden in tea, be sure to give it a quick rinse to remove any dirt or debris. You'll also want to remove the leaves from the tougher stems before steeping. Now let's dive into the 15 surprising health benefits you may experience by drinking rosemary tea daily. 1. Improves digestion. The primary active ingredient in rosemary, called rosmarinic acid, has been shown to reduce gastrointestinal inflammation and help stimulate the production of bile, which helps break down fats during digestion. One study found rosemary extract reduced symptoms of indigestion in humans. 2. Boosts brain function. Rosemary contains antioxidants like carnosic acid that can help protect the brain from free radical damage. Animal studies reveal rosemary may boost concentration and memory. A human study showed smelling rosemary essential oil improved memory quality and alertness. 3. Fights cancer. Studies reveal rosemary extract has potent anti-cancer effects, inhibiting tumor growth and migration in lab studies. The carnosic acid in rosemary is thought to suppress breast, liver, colon, and prostate cancer cells. More research is needed, but findings are promising. 4. Improves circulation. The carnosol in rosemary acts as a natural anticoagulant, improving blood flow and circulation. One study found it helps prevent excess platelet aggregation, which can lead to clogged arteries. 5. Reduces stress. Breathing in rosemary essential oil has been shown to decrease the stress hormone cortisol and lower anxiety levels in research participants. Drinking rosemary tea may also provide anti-anxiety effects. 6. Protects the liver. Rosemary has a hepatoprotective effect, meaning it helps prevent liver damage from toxins and infections thanks to the antioxidant carnosol. Studies reveal it counters liver damage from chemical exposures. 7. Supports immune health. The antioxidants in rosemary, like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, can help strengthen the immune system and fight infection. Lab studies find it has antimicrobial effects against bacteria like Staph and E. coli. 8. Improves hair growth. Rosemary oil applied topically has been shown to increase circulation on the scalp and stimulate hair follicles, leading to improved hair growth. One study saw a significant increase in hair count after 6 months of rosemary oil. 9. Enhances skin health. Rosemary contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect collagen in the skin from degradation. Applying it topically may improve skin elasticity and tone. 10. Balances blood sugar. Animal and test tube studies reveal rosemary helps regulate blood sugar by increasing insulin secretion and sensitivity. More human research is needed, but findings suggest it may aid diabetes management. 11. Protects heart health. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory action may help reduce atherosclerosis, lowering heart disease risk. Its antioxidant content also helps prevent LDL cholesterol oxidation, another factor in heart disease. 12. Improves eye health. The carnosic acid in rosemary is absorbed into the eye and acts as an antioxidant, protecting the eye from oxidative damage that can lead to macular degeneration and cataracts. 13. Anti-aging effects. The antioxidants in rosemary, as well as compounds like carnosic acid, help prevent skin cell damage from UV light and pollution, keeping skin looking more youthful. Rosemary may also help extend lifespan in animal studies. 14. Improves mood. Rosemary has a positive effect on mood in clinical research. The aroma alone may boost alertness, while drinking it provides compounds that support neurotransmitter function. 15. Enhances cognition. In studies, rosemary boosted cognitive speed, accuracy, and performance. Researchers believe its antioxidant compounds help support acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in learning and memory. Please note that while the research on rosemary tea is very promising, more research is needed in some areas, and individual results may vary. So be sure to speak to your doctor before adding it to your daily routine, especially if you take any medications, as rosemary can interact with some. But for most people, enjoying a cup of this aromatic herb tea is a safe and healthy way to reap its many benefits. One of the great things about rosemary tea is that it's very simple to make right in your own kitchen. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Ingredients: 2 teaspoon fresh rosemary leaves or 1 teaspoon dried. 8 ounce boiling water. Lemon or honey to taste, optional. Instructions: start by boiling water in a kettle or pot. While waiting, rinse and pat dry the fresh rosemary leaves. Remove leaves from tougher stems. Place leaves in a mug or teapot. Pour the hot water over top and let steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the rosemary tea into your cup using a fine mesh strainer or tea infuser. This removes the leaves. Flavor with a squeeze of lemon juice or a drizzle of honey if desired. Both add an extra layer of health benefits. Enjoy your fresh cup of aromatic rosemary tea. Sip it slowly and take in all the wonderful rosemary flavor. You can play around with the rosemary tea ratio to find your perfect cup, but a good guideline is 1 teaspoon dried or 2 teaspoons fresh leaves per cup of hot water. Steep it longer for a stronger infusion. One tip is to crush the leaves a bit before steeping to help release the oils and compounds. You can do this with a mortar and pestle, the back of a spoon, or your fingers. It's best to consume rosemary tea right away to get the most benefits. But you can refrigerate leftovers for up to 2 to 3 days and reheat as needed. So go ahead, put on a kettle, and unwind with a delicious cup of fresh rosemary tea. Let me know in the comments if you give this recipe a try. As with anything good, there's also potential side effects worth considering. Here are potential side effects and safety recommendations for drinking rosemary tea. Pregnancy. Rosemary may stimulate menstruation, so should be avoided in pregnancy. Speak to your doctor before using rosemary tea while pregnant or breastfeeding. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to rosemary and experience reactions like rashes, itching, or trouble breathing. Discontinue use if any allergy symptoms occur. Medications. Rosemary can interact with some medications like blood thinners, ACE inhibitors for blood pressure, and lithium for bipolar disorder. Speak to your doctor before using rosemary tea if you take any medications. Digestive upset. Rosemary contains a compound called eucalyptol that may cause nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea in sensitive people, especially in large amounts. Start with small amounts of tea. Headaches. Rarely, rosemary may cause headaches in some individuals. Drink plenty of water and reduce intake if headaches occur. To enjoy rosemary tea safely, here are some recommendations. Start with small amounts, 1 cup per day, and increase slowly over time if desired. Pay attention to your body's response. Speak with your doctor about potential interactions and if rosemary tea is right for your health status. Stop drinking it if you experience any negative side effects. Avoid consuming extremely large amounts of the herb. Moderation and awareness of your personal tolerance are key when adding any new herb or tea to your routine. It's important to note that while the information we share is scientifically proven and well-researched, it is only for educational purposes. As always, please consult your primary healthcare provider before making any changes to your health routine. Thank you. Thanks so much for watching today's video on rosemary tea. If you got value out of it, then be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on bell notifications so you never miss a new video that could help improve your health and the health of those you care about. Please let us know in the comments if you've tried rosemary tea and what benefits you noticed. We value your feedback and would love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. We have a ton of great content on using natural remedies like herbs, foods, and lifestyle changes to boost your well-being and stay well clear of preventable ailments, one of which is on your screen right now. Just hit play.